Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh, and in this video I'll be taking trade based on price action analysis. So what we have here is a higher high, higher low. I saw an uptrend, a retest candle, and I saw two candles making higher highs, higher highs. See the first high, the second high. Now when you see this pattern here, it's a clear sign of a continuation in an already established uptrend. And you see this is an already established uptrend. So for 1 minute I'm going up to do the trade for the higher high, higher low trading strategy. So let's wait and see how it's going to be. Now we got this in the morning. So now for our next trade, I'm looking at this round number. This is a psychological level. Sorry. Yeah, this is a psychological level, and traders around the who are trading at this moment, we always pay attention to levels like this. Now for okay, now if you look at this trade before we get our next opportunity. Hold on, I'll be back in a few minutes. Let me answer a call. Okay, I'm back now. Okay, now the reason why why I was able to take this trade is simple. Now there is a pattern, there is a candlestick pattern we call the how do we call it, the inside bar candlestick pattern is a pattern whereby you have a resistance like this, and you have some kind of green candle upward like this. Let's say you have a trend just like this trend we have now. We have a trend like this and like this. Now we have okay, no need to use I will use this yellow one as the resistance. So we have a candlestick like, and we have a breakout. Now the inside bar happens in the sense that it is the opposite color candlestick that comes down to it, that comes down, and it does not go beyond the body of this previous candle. So we have something like this. Right now, this is what we have here. Although this candlestick, they are not the same, but this is the idea that this candlestick body will not be as big as this one. Now after that, we have what, a kind of wick below, which shows buyer's pressure. Now when I see a breakout, my mind, what I think when I saw a breakout, I saw potentials for buying. I saw buying opportunity. Right now, I see again an inside bar, which is confirming buying pressure. That means I have seen two signals. Right now, I saw again another pattern, which is called the higher high, higher low, whereby you have one green candle like this, whereby you have one green candlestick like this, and then you have another green candlestick like this. Now when you have something like this, what happened is that the next candlestick should go up. It will go up, which is what I did here. Now I want to tell you something. If I did not see these candlesticks, if let's say I didn't see these candlesticks here, if I didn't see these candlesticks here, these ones here, if I didn't see this candlestick, I saw only these two candlesticks, what are the possibilities that the market will go up? The possibilities will be less. That's why in trading you need confirmation, you need confluences, you need evidence. You stack up evidence like an investigator, a police investigator. When you stack up this evidence together, all you have to do now is to let this evidence work for you. Now I saw two evidence, and I saw the last one, which is three good evidence in an uptrend that this market will go up. This is the only reason why I was able to take this trade. Just something that you should know. So let's go back and let's see for more evidence. Oh, okay, now this one has passed. Okay, so if you know what I call the in my last video, if you understand, I told you when you see two candlesticks like this, one hammer, second hammer, and you see this one now is a hanging man. This is a clear what? Put trade. A clear put trade. Now let's look for more evidence so that you understand that trading is not really as difficult as you think it is. When you calm yourself down, you get what you want. right? Now let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, right now the market is coming down. We'll be doing our last trade. The market is coming down. Okay, now we saw this candlestick, which is kind of like a hammer candlestick. Yes, a long wick at the bottom, which is a sign of reversal. True or false? True. Now, at the same time, we saw what a shooting, sorry, a how do you a spinning top candlestick exactly is a sign of indecision. Now you see a hammer candle, an indecision candle. That means buying pressure, neither buyers, neither sellers, indecision. Now this candlestick is happening at the middle Bollinger Band. What does the middle Bollinger Band tells us? It is the place for mean what reversion. That means if price goes up, it comes to the middle before it goes up again. If it goes up to an extent of overbought, it comes to the middle. Look for evidence for it to go up again, and then it goes up. Now we are seeing two evidence, so we need a last confirmation, and this is what I'll go with the put trade with the call trade. Oh, maybe I didn't get this on time, but now if you look at this candle, you may say, okay, this is a selling pressure candlestick, because it's a shooting star candlestick in a strong downtrend. But we are working not with candlestick patterns alone. We work with evidences that shows us that this candlestick pattern is has a likelihood of becoming has a likelihood of showing sorry it has a likelihood of price going to one direction because of this evidence we have stacked up to support our analysis. So this candlestick pattern is now no longer a hammer, but what a shaving head. You understand? It's now a shaving head candlestick pattern, or maybe I'm okay. I missed this. It happens. I am missing this one not because the analysis was wrong. No, it is only because the entry point is the entry point was how will I say it? When I took the trade, I was supposed to take it here, but it went up. So just a means to let you know, to show you how I do my analysis sometimes. So now what we have now is another indecision. So what you should be thinking now, I'll just do one more trade to recover. What you should be thinking about now is if we have this candlestick, and this candlestick that is showing us that the price is supposed to go up at the mean reversion, yet it gave us this weak candlestick, that means that the buying pressure is not as strong as it should be. In other words, I will go with who? With sellers. It's simple, because the buying pressure is not as strong. Because if this buying pressure was as strong, it would have taken me into the game. Like I would have won this trade. This trade would not have ended as an indecision candlestick pattern. It would have been maybe an engulfing, but no, it did not end as an engulfing. It just created an um, 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 indecision candle, and yet another indecision candle, which shows that the buyers at this point are not ready. So what's going to happen now is that buyers will come later on in the market, and they may come at this point of the market. So this is how we do technical analysis. This is how we do candlestick analysis, and this is what I show to my mentorship students, and even more when we talk about psychology and risk management, so that they can become that trader that they want to be. So if this is your first time in my channel, please do wait to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And then if you want to get the ebook is available now. You can get it from the link in the description. This is the ebook. It has all the concepts you would be needing, so you don't have to go and learn things that may not benefit you at the long run. You have everything that you need to understand the market. You have candlestick patterns. You have how to read these indicators, how to understand market sentiment, some candlestick patterns, some candlestick live trading patterns that you can use to benefit. It has volume and price analysis. It has so many concepts that you will definitely benefit from. So let's wait and see. Like I told you, now the markets will be coming to look for buyers at this area. You understand? At these areas, the market will be coming to look for buyers. So if you look closely now, these 2 weeks now provided an area of what? Resistance. And this candlestick broke out. This candlestick what? Broke out, and this one retested the level. You see it? It retested that level, and now the price is coming back down. Now, buyers have not gotten to this resistance, to this support. Buyers have not gotten there, but yet they are coming in. So it shows now that there is buying pressure coming to this um, area. Now, if you can see this candlestick pattern, although it's a 1, 2, 3, 4 candlestick pattern, I have that same pattern in a theory bar candlestick. Let me see if I can show you so that you understand that what I teach is what I know and what I have experienced over and over and over again in the market. Okay, I think it's somewhere here. Wait, let me see. Okay, and what it's something like this. We have something like this, but this is not exactly it. Let me see. I'm going to show you. Just hold on a bit. Um. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is it here. This is what I wanted to show. If you look at this candlestick here, it is what is happening here. Now the psychology is the same. Psychology is the same, but the candlestick pattern may not be the same. So it's a good thing, at least you know why I took this trade. I told you the reasons why, and also why I lost this trade. And it's a good thing that I can lose a trade for you to see, because I think somebody have asked me why I don't lose trade. That is because I'm analyzing my chart with enough reasons before I go into a trade, most especially when I do 1 minute trade. So like I told you, now at this point buyers are going to come in. So you can see how, because of this round number and this, there is a round number here, there is a previous resistance here. So this is enough reason, you understand, this is enough reasons for buyers to come in. So this can be considered as a reversal pattern. So if you want to get the ebook, you can contact me on my email address and on my WhatsApp link at the description of this video. Until next time, please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.